Hi and welcome back, guys. Here's today something on the daily chart unfolding that I definitely want to talk about, because that could be a really crazy move that we can expect here in Bitcoin if that is actually playing out. So definitely stick around, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and also activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these really important updates. So and now let's get here straight into the content. So here on the Bitcoin monthly chart, so what we can see here is that obviously last 2020 in September we had here a huge run to the upside. Then we topped out with an evening star pattern here, and then we had a correction to the downside. That's exactly what we should do with the evening star pattern. And then we went back to the upside and created a new all-time high. But, and here comes now the but, it looks like that here, this is also considered an evening star pattern. So, and what you can see afterwards, after we had the first evening star pattern to the downside, we had only one red monthly candle and went back up again. So what if I tell you now that this here might repeat itself, and that this here is our monthly candle that will be red, and the next one will initiate the next leg here to the upside. So if we would compare this to the previous run, so then this should take us to approximately, just by measuring it like this here, slightly higher, so to around $72,000. But now I want to show you something. If we take the Fibonacci extension level, the Fibonacci extensions, and pull it here from top to bottom, so that will give us a price if we would go up to the 1.618. So obviously we have first to go to the 0.618. So that will be here 57,880, 58,835. So, but I believe if this is playing out and February would be a green candle and we go here up to the upside, that the next target for Bitcoin will be all the way up here at $87,732, $88,687 at the 1.618, 1.65, the golden ratio here for Bitcoin. I believe if this here is repeating, then this here will be the next logical target for the Bitcoin price, and that would be obviously create a new all-time high and bring us a really big step closer to the $100,000 level. So, but yeah, obviously there is still some time to see how this is actually playing out. So, and I also want to show you obviously what's going on the smaller time frames. So let me have a look here on the 4-hourly time frame. So here on the 4-hourly time frame, we got now our breakout here out of our cup and handle pattern that I was talking about. So, and now since the breakout, we go here a little bit sideways. So we have multiple times now tested already the $43,000 level here. Also here we try to test it again. And you know the drill, guys, the more often we test a support or a resistance line, the weaker it gets and the more likely it gets that we're actually breaking through it. So either to the upside or to the downside. Obviously here we are testing resistance. So this, the more often we test this resistance, the more likely it is that we actually will break through it to the upside. So yeah, the technical target of the cup and handle is still up here at around $46,000. And I'm still confident in saying that we might reach this target here in the next coming days. So if you're right now not in a trade and you have not traded this breakout here, then I would actually wait for a break of the $44,000 level here before entering a trade, and I would also still wait for at least a 4-hourly close in green within here our resistance box before I would open the trade, just to make sure that the price actually stays in there and keeps pushing into higher levels. Then also on the daily chart, I know a lot of people are looking at this. So right now here on the daily chart, we are getting a death cross. So here also a big but. I believe that this will actually be a fake out. So, and what I mean by that is we have seen this in the past. Let me actually try to find here a fake out. Well, we got a fake out on the daily chart. Let me see if I find here. So there is a fake out. So, and I think something like this is happening here right now again. So where we got here a death cross, but the price kept trending higher. And then you see here, we just made here a small bump and came up, and then had again a golden cross. And then afterwards, obviously you see here the massive run to the upside. So I think something similar like this could happen here. The way how the 50 is crossing the 200 is not steep enough, and it looks more like that the 50 is here ready to turn around again if the price here keeps pushing into higher levels. And then we, like I said, we will get a golden cross and the price will continue its way to the upside. That's what I believe is going to happen here, based on past performance in the Bitcoin price action history. Also here on the weekly chart, I'm still bullish also on the weekly chart. So we are holding here slightly above the $42,567 line. We are at $43,000. So, and I told you already multiple times, it's really crucial that we stay above this level here. So for the next weekly candle, that this can be actually a green candle pushing here to the upside. So we have Sunday. So if this candle closes today at this price level, then guys, you better buckle up in your with your rocket seats, because I believe then that we will see the next week here a big green candle going to the upside if the Bitcoin price can sustain $43,000, or at least to stay over $42,670. So yeah guys, and if you want to trade this weekly close as an example, then you can still go to BYBIT. There you still get a sign-up bonus of $4,100, and you can also trade there KASTA and VPAD. You can buy both coins on BYBIT with the link in the pinned comment below, so definitely take advantage of that. Also on Phemex there's still a bonus of $5,100, also with the link in the pinned comment below. So now let's get here quick into Ethereum. When we're looking here on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that Ethereum is doing here more or less what Bitcoin is doing. We are also getting here a cup and handle. We also broke the cup and handle. So, and if you recall, I had given you a trade call. If you would have listened to me at the break here of the $3,170 level, then you would be still up here 4.88%. So with a 10x leverage, that would be almost 50% that you would be here still in profit. So, and I told you can trade this up here all the way to, I think I told you like $3,500. I think that's what I said. So that would give you around 100% with a 10x leverage. So, but I believe we will come up really soon here to test the $3,565 level. That would give you from that point onwards a 12.35%. And if you would have traded this from the breakout out of the handle, it would be also still 8.36%, which would give you 83.6% here on the Ethereum price. So I'm confident that this consolidation will be soon over here in Ethereum, and that we will see here a further move to the upside. Guys, I also want to remember you that I'm still looking for a personal assistant slash technical analyst, market analyst, not marketing. Some guys have written me an email that I'm looking for a marketing analyst. No, I'm looking for a technical analyst, a market analyst, specifically in crypto, who can also be my personal assistant here in Dubai. So you must be able to relocate to Dubai within, let's say, maximum a month. Not from now, but from the moment that I hire you, you must be able between 2 and 4 weeks to relocate to Dubai. So there is still the email address in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. It's jobs@amcrypto.us. Preferably, I would like to have a female technical analyst and personal assistant, but I'm not excluding guys. So please keep mailing me your CVs so that my assistant can go through it, and then we will get back to you if we think that you might be a good fit, and we'll have an interview with you. Guys, that's it already for today. So don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like here, smash up the subscribe button, also activate the notification bell, and I will see you again here from the Burj Khalifa tomorrow.